Hey everyone, Cliff here. Welcome to another episode of Tailgate Talk. If you're looking to speed up your next drywall sealing in a corridor or a small room and cut down on headaches, you're in the right place. Today we're talking about SHORTSPAN Drywall Grid, a system that is built to save you time and keep your project on schedule and on budget. Let's dig in and see how SHORTSPAN can help you out on your next job site. Let's kick things off with a big one. SHORTSPAN tees now span up to 9 feet. No support hanger wires are needed if you install at 16 inches on center with standard 5/8 inch drywall. That's fewer materials, less labor, and you move a whole lot faster. No more wrangling with hanger wires and crowded plenums. Just set your tees in place and start hanging board. That extra span comes from upgraded beaded bulb design that adds strength and ups the load while meeting ASTM standards. So you get reliability and performance without the hassle. Pair SHORTSPAN with our locking angle molding, and you ditch the measuring and screwing tees to the wall angle. The tees simply lock right in. No measuring, no extra screws, no slowing you down. This is another important way to keep the job moving and shave steps off your install. If you're working long corridors up to 9 feet wide, this combo is built for efficiency. Your crew gets the job done faster and you're ready to roll into the next phase. Do you have a large, repetitive project with SHORTSPAN applications? Reduce scrap by ordering custom SHORTSPAN mains, factory cut, to exact lengths from 5 foot to 14 feet. No field cutting, no waste, no guessing. For these bigger projects, work with your local integrated solutions sales manager to see if factory cut to length solutions make sense for your project. So, you may be asking yourself, if SHORTSPAN can really save time on my next job? Well, check out the SHORTSPAN Savings Calculator. Plug in your project details and see a real comparison of your material and labor costs versus old school drywall grid, and even stud layouts. The calculator spells it all out, skipping hanger wires, using fewer cross tees, and slashing installation time adds up to real project savings. It's an easy way to identify the difference and keep delivering speed and quality to project owners. So that's the rundown on SHORTSPAN Drywall Grid. Span further, get jobs done faster, stay on track. If you have questions or want to learn more about SHORTSPAN, reach out to your local rep or go to our website for tools like the Savings Calculator, the valuable technical guide, or find more videos about real SHORTSPAN project success stories. Make your next corridor and small room job simpler from start to finish.